Look at a farm, and you might see dirt, seeds, and hard work. But look closer in China, and you will see something else entirely. A fully digital system humming with data. Screens replace soil charts. Algorithms tell farmers exactly when to water, feed, and harvest. China's agricultural technology has turned farming into a giant living computer program. Every plant, every drone, and every sensor talks to each other in real time. This isn't an experiment. It is the new reality. Before we explore how this digital brain runs the fields, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. You will not want to miss what comes next. China's agricultural technology is turning the ancient practice of farming into a high-precision science. Across the country, smart machines are taking over the spring planting season. Farmers now use coordinated drone mapping to scan fields and plan every move with incredible accuracy. These aren't your average tractors. They are autonomous machinery guided by satellites. This approach is a game changer for difficult terrains. It reduces waste and saves a ton of manual labor. The result is a digitized management system that ensures perfect row alignment. This boosts crop survival and improves air circulation. By cutting operational costs, this shift makes farming more profitable. The deployment of hundreds of thousands of these smart devices shows a clear strategy. It points toward a future of highly efficient, technology-driven food production. The concept of farming is no longer tied to the land. China's agricultural technology has broken those chains. The nation is using vertical plant factories and intelligent greenhouses to grow food anywhere at any time. This is a major step towards securing food for a massive population. It is like a technological miracle that honors the country's ancient farming roots while building a fully automated future. These vertical farms are incredible to see. They are multi-story indoor gardens. They use 5G networks and big data to create the perfect environment for plants. Big data plays a crucial role as well. By analyzing years of growth data, the system can predict outcomes, it can determine which seeds will perform best, it can optimize the growing cycle for maximum yield. This data-driven approach takes the guesswork out of farming. It turns agriculture into a predictable science. Autonomous machinery is also a key component. China has a large population to feed. Climate change poses a threat to traditional farming. Extreme weather events can destroy crops. Vertical plant factories are immune to these events. They provide a stable, reliable source of food. Let's break down how a vertical plant factory works. First, seeds are planted in a sterile medium. Then, AI algorithms control the lighting. They adjust the spectrum and intensity based on the plant's growth stage. Robotics handle the planting and harvesting. This reduces human contact and the risk of disease. Water is recycled. Nothing is wasted. One of the biggest advantages is the elimination of pesticides. Because the environment is controlled, there are no pests. This results in cleaner, healthier food. The yield is also staggering. A vertical farm can produce up to 350 times more food per square foot than a traditional field farm. This efficiency is vital for a country with limited arable land. The integration of 5G is the backbone of this system. It allows for real-time data transmission. Thousands of sensors send information to a central computer. This computer then makes instant adjustments. If the humidity drops, the system reacts. If a nutrient level is off, it is corrected immediately. This level of precision was unimaginable just a decade ago. Forget about soil. Many of these farms use nutrient-rich water or special substrates. This method is called hydroponics. It allows for cultivation in deserts, Arctic regions, or the middle of a busy city. The goal is to decouple crop production from the old constraints of geography and season. This means fresh lettuce can be grown in a harsh winter, or a tropical fruit can be cultivated in a cold climate. These new quality productive forces are not limited to plants. Real-time digital monitoring keeps track of animal health. Sensors can detect sickness early. This reduces the need for antibiotics and improves overall herd welfare. It ensures that a massive population is fed using a fraction of the world's arable land. Furthermore, these factories are becoming more energy efficient. Early versions used a lot of electricity for lighting. Now, companies are developing more efficient LEDs. Some are even integrating solar panels. The goal is to make the process sustainable. This will reduce the carbon footprint of agriculture. Consumer acceptance is also growing. People are realizing that these methods produce superior products. By using technology to overcome natural limitations, China is securing its food future. It is a bold experiment that is already paying off. The economic implications are significant. These farms create jobs. They require engineers, data scientists, and technicians. This is a shift from traditional farm labor to high-tech employment. It is part of a broader economic transformation. Moreover, the technology is being exported. Other countries are looking to China for solutions. This positions China as a leader in the global agricultural tech sector. It is a soft power tool that demonstrates the country's capabilities. The journey hasn't been without challenges. The initial investment is high. It costs millions of dollars to build a large-scale facility. However, the long-term returns are promising. As the technology matures, costs are coming down. It is becoming more accessible to smaller players. Education is also a key factor. Young farmers are being trained in these new methods. They are learning to use the software and hardware. This is creating a new generation of agricultural professionals. On the outskirts of Datong, a remarkable transformation is taking place. Workers are harvesting tomatoes using intelligent lift vehicles. These aren't typical greenhouses. Automated systems control the temperature and humidity around the clock. The plants grow in coconut fiber substrates. This blocks soil-borne pests. Precision irrigation delivers nutrients by the minute. The results are stunning. Yields reach nearly 250 metric tons per hectare. This is 4 times higher than traditional greenhouses. Datong is rapidly expanding this type of facility agriculture. The cool climate and good transport links make it an ideal location. This is a perfect example of how China's agricultural technology is boosting productivity. It shows that smart design can overcome natural limitations. In northeast China's Heilongjiang province, the future of rice farming has arrived. This region is the country's largest grain producer. You will find few farmers in the paddies. Most of the work is done by automated devices. Intelligent irrigation systems adjust water levels automatically. Diagnostic cameras closely monitor the rice plants. In the sky, remote-controlled drones collect data. They assess crop health and distribute fertilizers. Back at the control center, a cloud-based platform analyzes everything. It produces site-specific solutions to any problems. These digital tools allow farmers to make better decisions. They boost productivity and save time and money. Data shows that the area of sown summer grain has increased. It rose by more than 4.5 million hectares. This is a clear sign that China's agricultural technology is delivering real results. The future of farming is data-driven. Farming is never an easy task. It requires hard work and dedication. Yet, a new generation is changing the game. Young farmers in China are integrating modern technologies into their work. They are using pesticide-spraying drones. They operate automatic pest control stations. These tools improve food quality. They also save significant costs. These young innovators are not afraid of change. They see technology as a partner. It helps them do a better job. They are proving that farming can be a high-tech profession. This infusion of youth and innovation is vital. It ensures that agriculture remains sustainable. It also helps reduce food waste. By embracing China's agricultural technology, these young farmers are securing their own futures. They are also helping to feed the nation. Agricultural research in China is experiencing a data explosion. The rapid development of genome sequencing is driving this change. AI is enabling a digital transformation of the seed industry. Germplasm resources are crucial for cultivating new varieties. But it is the addition of next-gen bio-breeding technologies that is making a difference. These tools help unclog traditional breeding bottlenecks. They use seed entrance exams to select only the best. Researchers expect these predictions to improve over time. As the technology learns, it gets smarter. Official data shows that the proportion of domestically bred maize varieties has increased. This is a significant achievement. It highlights the power of China's agricultural technology. It shows that science is key to food independence. China is testing advanced vegetable cultivation systems in space. The goal is to ensure plant growth in orbit mirrors experiments on Earth. These devices are a critical component of bioregenerative life support. They use natural processes like photosynthesis. This recycles water and generates oxygen from carbon dioxide. By mastering these biological cycles, researchers aim to sustain crews during long-term travel. This technology provides the foundation for deep space exploration. This includes future manned missions to the Moon and Mars. It is a bold step into the unknown. China's agricultural technology is not just for Earth, it is helping humanity reach for the stars. The ability to grow food in space is a game changer for long missions.